Hey everyone, welcome to Tiflydesigns. Today we're featuring Halloween card number 5, and I love this one and I hope you do too. So here we go. Today I'm rocking some nails that I can't seem to work well in, and by the end of the video you're gonna see that I cut them down. They're very cute, but I can't seem to work well with them. So let's see. I started with a 120-pound cardstock, and that's going to be our card base. And I started with such a heavy cardstock because the card is going to be a spider web. The front of the card is actually going to be a spider web. So I'm starting by using some distress ink to color it. Then I will use the spider web die to cut out the front of the card. So this first color is actually ice spruce, and then I will add a different color to kind of tone down the kind of bluish greenish color in the ice spruce. And that other distress color I chose was black soot, and I just added, and I'm not being very particular with the coloring because like I said, it's going to be cut to a spider web, so you're going to hardly see any of the color. Then I use some of my watercolors to add some splatter to my background, and I remove my tape without thinking before I start splattering. I got some in the back, but it was okay. So I just add a bunch of splatter, which you probably won't hardly see once I cut out the spider web. Then I'm using this spider web cover-up die from MFT, and as you can see, I'm gonna be struggling with the nails, so that's why I ended up cutting them down. I'm not sure how these people work and do things with these long nails, and these are not even that long. So I'm trying to leave the top of the card from going into the die cutting machine so that it won't cut the top of the card front off. So as you can see, I cut the die out, and I guess the nails came in handy after all. So once I punched out all of the pieces, this is what the front of the card looks like. And I actually cut out another die in black and covered the back of the spider web. We're now going to color our scene for the back of the spider web, and I'm using 3 colors. I'm using wilted violet, carved pumpkin, and mowed lawn. We're going to put our background to the side and we're going to color our cute little image. And this image is from a stamp set from Tiflydesigns, and it's called Creepy Crawlies. But they are so cute. And we're going to use that little spider, little girl, the little girl in the little spider outfit. So we're going to stamp her using some VersaFine ink, and I'm just going to dry it with my heat tool. And my image is stamped on some watercolor cardstock from Tim Holtz. And we're going to do some watercoloring. Once I finish with my image, I fussy cut my little cutie out. And check out the nails. I had to cut them down. They are no longer dangerous weapons. I'm using a black gel pen to add little strokes to around the little spider outfit. so it can look like hairs. I added my background to the inside of my card, and I use this shimmer spritz to just add some shimmer to my background. And as you can see, that shine, isn't that pretty? And I'm glad I used the 120-pound cardstock because it's really sturdy. And I love the way the color of the spider web came out. And we're going to add our little image in the middle, and then add this sentiment that was cut using this die set from Whimsy Stamps. I'm not sure how MFT paper came into the screen, but that die is from Whimsy Stamps, and it comes with a background. So I cut the background in black and cut the letters in some shimmer, silver shimmer paper from Hero Arts. And our ink is gonna go to the bottom right, and our image in the center of the spider web. Then I also used one of the die sets from Whimsy Stamps, and it comes with a bunch of spiders. But first, I'm adding another little sentiment from Simon Says, those pre-printed sentiment strips that you just cut to the width you want and stuff like that. This one is the Halloween one, Spooky I think it's called, and I cut out one of the sentiment, and I'm gonna add it below the ink. So the sentiment says, "Eek, Halloween is here." And you can see the spider, the black spider to the left. And that spider came from a set from Whimsy, and it's called Spider and Webs die set. Right here. And on the inside, I have 2 more of the spiders. They're so creepy. I also cut another frame and just cut out the spider web part of it and add the frame in black all the way around the front. So that's it for our card number 5 in our Halloween series. I want to thank you guys for watching, and I hope you like this one, and I'll see you next time. Bye!